Good morning, everyone. Jay here from BX Journeys, day 4 on board Carnival Celebration. Well, I'm up. I'm gonna get some breakfast, and today I have an excursion, and it says a Rainforest Nature Walk, River, Pools, and Beach excursion. This excursion lasts about 5 hours. Guys, I woke up in so much pain this morning with my whole body. I guess I'm not used to doing that type of hiking because yesterday was rough, and I even took aspirin last night so I can sleep. But whoa, I'm so sore right now that my body's hurting. But hey, gotta push on, right? So here's my ticket. My pickup time is at 10:45 in the morning. We arrive at San Juan very soon. I'm on my way now to get some breakfast and then get myself ready, and then I'll be heading out. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching our channel. And again, without you, we don't have this channel. So guys, today I'm going to try the Blue Iguana Cantina, which is a Mexican spot. It's also included in your fare. So I'm going to have some breakfast here. Yum, yum, yum. And we already arrived at Puerto Rico. We got in early. All right. Here's my ham, mac and cheese breakfast burrito. And Lois has been adamant for me to try this, so here goes. Good morning, everyone. Here we are, day 4. Actually, when I got upstairs, we already docked in Puerto Rico. I thought we docked at 10 o'clock, and we got in early today. So, I got my breakfast burrito. Lois has been adamant for me to try this place, so here goes, you know what I mean? And I have to get ready to be downstairs in my excursion at 10:45. Cheers, guys. It's pretty good. Yeah, guys. All right, little has a little kick. Something has kick in there. I don't know what it is, but okay. I'm not too crazy about too much spice, but. Alright, I'll make the best of it, right? So yeah, my excursion today is about 5 hours long, which I'm not looking forward to that because I'm in so much pain right now from yesterday's excursion. We're the only ship in dock here in San Juan. So after my excursion, I have to go back out, get myself, showered and changed, go back out. And I have to go get Louis some candy that he wanted from here, from this park in the corner. And also, I'm going to have some alcapurria, which is a delicacy here in Puerto Rico, which is so good. Oh my God. I'm going to get some alcapurrias and some, they're like little, I forgot the name of it. It'll come to me. Right now I'm still half asleep. Oh, that's right. It was the best. The festival of San Sebastian is here. I'm like, wow. I've always wanted to see that, and now they're telling us that we have to be careful because we might be delayed because of the taxis. So I'll walk around San Juan, but I'm not going to venture off too far. The only far thing I'm doing is excursion. Other than that, I'm going to have fun. Here we are in the beautiful island of San Juan, Puerto Rico. The weather is beautiful. I am looking forward to this excursion even though I'm in pain, but I'll get it done. And there's also a festival here. I don't know if you guys heard of Festival of San Sebastian, which goes on from January 18th and up to February, something like that. So a whole lot of festivals are going to be going on here in San Juan. So hey, maybe I'll get some footage of it if I'm still around, because this excursion is 5 hours long, so I have to see what happens after I finish the excursion. From the time I get off the excursion to the time we depart, I'm supposed to be on the ship by 6:30. I don't want to miss my ship. Tomorrow we head over to St. Martin. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm excited. Here we are, and let's do this. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Help us reach 1K subscribers, guys. And here we go, guys, on our excursion. And I just spoke to Lewis and told him that I'm in pain. He feels bad. He's like, I'm so sorry. He's like, yeah, when you do these strenuous excursions, you need a day off in between. And I would have done something in St. Martin. Anyway, I gotta troop it. I'll be fine. You know, not like I'm 90 years old or anything. But yeah, here's a ship in the background. Here we are in old San Juan, catching a shuttle bus to our excursion. So, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Let's go.
Take you through the trail. We will go into the river, bathe in the river, give you time for that. And then we'll be heading out to Luquillo Beach, which also I'll give you plenty of time to get in the beach. On the way, I will be telling you a little bit. I'll be telling you a little bit of history about Puerto Rico, where we come from, who we are, and what we are right now. It's only 529 years of history. So let's see if I can do that in about an hour.
Altrokai seems to be cool. He knows stuff. I like him. He says if we don't make it into a certain excursion because of traffic, he'll take us somewhere else. He doesn't like people to sit in traffic. He doesn't care what his boss says. We're here to have fun in some traffic. I like him.
The Three Kings Day, which is on January 6th, all the way to the festivities of San Sebastian, which are celebrated here inside the colonial city. So you missed it by one day. Oh, it's gonna be, we're expecting here in the island, a little over 100,000 people. Great Wall, this house, that is a papaya tree. And there's some papayas hanging in there. Papaya tree. Again in front, we have some more Princess Rose and the mango tree. And behind this iron fence to the left, we have a small coconut palm tree that won't grow any larger. This one is not a coconut palm tree, the one to the right, that's for decoration. You see, very nice, won't give you anything.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Jay from BX Journeys. Here we are at Rainforest in El Yunque. We're gonna go to a river, and then we might see a little bit of the rainforest, and then from there we might end up going to Luquillo Beach. So yeah, let's do this. And here we are. We're gonna go to the river. According to the driver, he says if you have your own property here, nobody can buy them. You have to sell them back to the rainforest. You have to sell it back to the rainforest municipality because they want to knock them down and keep the preservation of the rainforest, so that nobody can buy those properties if you own properties here in El Yunque. FYI. And you guys are gonna love Luquillo Beach.
Yeah, we've been
Oh, love Luquillo.
Oh, wow, this was it?
Oh my god, this is better than yesterday. It took us 40 minutes to climb to the top of the mountain. Yesterday. Much better, Lou, much better. Much better. Beautiful. Amazing.
But when the water gets very high, it will come down this way.
Probably really similar to the water in the ocean yesterday.
Hey guys, again we're here at one of the rivers here in El Yunque Rainforest here in Puerto Rico. It's very humid up here. I haven't went in the water. I got my towel if I decide to go inside, but I don't know yet. Like, we still have to go to Luquillo Beach. I would rather go into the ocean, but let's see how this goes. I'm still in a little bit of pain, but I'm hanging in there. I'm good guys. I'm becoming one with nature. What do you think, guys? Beautiful this is. Love it. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Got more stuff coming like this. Oh yeah. I got my towel, but I didn't go in. That water was too cold. So I can't wait to use go in the water when I get to Luquillo Beach. It is one of our stops. Right in the distance, you can see people ziplining in the rainforest. I would love to do that. I love ziplining. As you can see, this is treacherous to walk through, so please be very careful when you guys do this excursion. Whatever you do, don't do this in high heels. High heels is only for the dress-up night on the ship. Not hiking. FYI. Moment of truth. I was told I could jump from off there, but I'm not gonna. I'm too much in pain to jump. This water's cold, guys. Water's cold. Eesh. Okay. Guys, this water's cold. I needed it to relax my muscles. I'm not jumping, guys. I did enough jumping yesterday. I can't. My cruise people here from Carnival. One! Woo! I'm inside a river in the Yunque Rainforest in Puerto Rico. It's refreshing, actually. I mean, it was cold at first, but you get used to it afterwards. But I can't jump, guys. That's a high jump. And I'm a little bit of a heavier guy, and I don't want to, you know, and also we don't have any helmets or life vests. So this is more of a natural way to do it, how they do it here on the island of Puerto Rico. But I'm taking precautions. I'm just here, just taking it all in, just relaxing. You know? I didn't put my head in. I'm just up to, well, you can say shoulder width to the water. Yeah, I'm having a good time. See that? Yeah, I can't do that. So relaxing here. Oh my God. Rope. I'm not doing that Tarzan rope. No, no, no. I'm not jumping in there. Hey guys, here we are at Luquillo Beach. We have about an hour and a half here to hang out here and chill out. It was actually real close to the rainforest to be at this beach, which is actually very nice. The seas look pretty rough, but I'll try it out in a bit, see how it is, okay? So yeah, I'm having a good time. I really am. I miss Lou, but he'll be back with us very soon. Promise. So yeah, let's do this, let's hang out, let's have a good time. And the driver gave me a beer. Where's my medalla? I found my beer. It fell underneath the chair and it got full of sand, so I had to go to the ocean to wash it up. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my Puerto Rican beer, and this is the view of Luquillo Beach. Umbrella, chair, I'm chilling. Water's chilly, but we're good. I have to go in there later on. Here at Luquillo Beach, I'm on my way now to get myself some alcapurria, which is a delicacy here in Puerto Rico. I'm looking forward to that. Oh my God. Local food, love it, love it, love it. So, having a good time here at Luquillo Beach. The weather's beautiful. And guys, here we are at Luquillo Beach. I am so sorry for the weird panning. It's because I'm not wearing I'm not wearing. I didn't put the gimbal on the phone. So I'm doing my best to do everything as steady as possible. But yes, Luquillo Beach is beautiful. Luquillo Beach, guys. Love it. Yeah, I just got myself a few little niblets. I got myself what's called surullo, and I got myself alcapurria. So those are two of my favorite foods that they have here. Surullo is like a corn thing with cheese in it, and alcapurria is like a how can I describe it? It's like almost like a yam with meat inside of it. And guys, this is a surullo. It's corn with cheese in it. Yum. Gonna really dance. I sure am. And guys, this is alcapurria. Yum. $2 each. Delicious. Love it, love it, love it.
And on my behalf, I want to thank you for visiting Puerto Rico.
Hey guys, good evening. Here's my home away from home here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, the Carnival Celebration. A beautiful ship. I will definitely be returning on this ship. And I'm supposed to be back on the ship in about another hour. So here we are in Old San Juan. I'm gonna go to Walgreens to get some things that I need. And that guy's playing very nice music over there. Here's another shot of our ship from another angle. I'm taking a risk being out here, guys. I gotta be back on the ship in another hour and a half. I gotta go. Good evening, guys. Jay here from DX Journeys. I'm on my way now to Walgreens real quick. I gotta get some toiletries that I need, and I'm going right back on the ship. I'm not gonna go too far. The ship leaves in another hour and a half, so I gotta hurry. The ship looks beautiful at night. Wow. All right, Carnival, I see you. I see you. Excuse the noise in the background. They're playing a movie. There's a morro. Good evening, everyone. Well, I'm here having dinner tonight at Cucina del Capitano. My first time in this restaurant. So, I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner. I'm going to have Nona's meatballs, which is San Marzano sauce, roasted oil salsa provolone, and parmesan. I'm also going to have the caprese salad, which I love my caprese salad. And I'm going to have the penne pomodoro. Sounds wonderful. So again, this is another included main dining room Carnival Celebration. So I'm ready to eat. Just ordered my glass of Pinot Grigio. Cheers to everyone for a wonderful stay here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Tomorrow we arrive in St. Martin. So I'm looking forward to that. Salud.
Oh wait, salud. Much better, right? Okay. Just making sure. So for the brought. Excuse me, guys. Here on Carnival, I noticed that they don't leave a bread basket for you. They go around with a bread basket and offer you bread from their warm assortments. So they offered me bread, and here it is. I feel butter. Yeah, but they don't leave bread on the table for you. You know, hey, every cruise line does it different. Doesn't matter. I'll still sell you again, Carl. Hey guys, just might as well talk to you while I'm waiting for my food. Well, tomorrow is day 5. We will be arriving tomorrow at St. Martin at 7 in the morning. And I have no plans. I don't have no excursions. I might do Maho Beach, or I might do a closed pipe beach. I don't want to do anything strenuous so far. Yeah. So far, that's the plans I have right now. I mean, I have no idea yet, but I guess we'll see how it plays out when I feel. I'm still in pain. Thank God today's excursion wasn't that strenuous, but I'm still in pain because I feel the aspirin is wearing off. So, I know. As we get older, guess what? Our check-in like goes on. Guys, I have been taking more pictures on this cruise than I've ever done in any other cruise. I have so many pictures to look at. So, and what's cool about the ship is that you can see all your pictures from your room on your TV. Nice. Very, very, very interactive. Also, guys, as FYI, I also noticed about Carnival, the restaurants here, on all their tables, they have these QR codes that you use for a menu. The menu can also be seen on the Hub app, or you can also ask for a paper menu if you'd like. Just FYI, guys. But you can't see the menu on the Hub app, and it tells you all the food that they are serving. But yeah, you can always ask for a paper menu if you decide. I know that they're very busy. The restaurant seems very full. Every seat's taken. It's taking kind of long to bring in my salad and my appetizer. I mean, normally I don't complain, but I think 15 minutes already waiting for my appetizer. So, anyway, patiently waiting. I guess they heard me. They brought me out my appetizer. It looks pretty good. Plate's hot. A meatball. There you go. Let's dig in. But yeah, guys. I got pepper over here. Pepper. I love my pepper. Salt, just a little bit. I'm not salt sensitive like Louis. I miss him. Okay. The meatball looks good though. Oh yeah. Very good, guys. Very good. Delicious. Guys, my body is still hurting. It looks like the aspirin that I took is wearing off. So my muscles all over my body is killing me. Okay. I might consider getting myself a massage. Let's see if they have any specials. Yeah, I'm gonna need one. I really will. I might do it on a sea day because after St. Martin we're at sea for 2 days and then we arrive into Miami. So yeah, I need a massage. And I guess here comes my caprese salad. Thank you, sir. Can I ask for a Sprite?
Sprite, yeah.
Yes.
Sierra Mist is fine.
Huh?
Sierra Mist.
That's perfect. Thank you. I got my caprese salad. I'm excited, guys. And the reason why I don't take the camera and point the food is because I have it set up a certain way, then I have to reset it up again each time. You know what I mean? So I'll show it again. My caprese salad. Looks good. Let's do this. I love me my caprese salad. Pretty good. It's delicious. Well, guys, they bought me my pomodoro. Look at that. Yum. Let's dig in, guys. Al dente. Very good, guys. I mean, the service is a little slow because I know they're crowded and they're busy. But it's okay. It's about the experience. But sorry, guys. The pasta was still alive. I forgot to kill it. I'm being silly. What is good about this restaurant, guys, and I noticed, is that the portions are small. It's not like a serve you a whole bunch. It's small portions, which is perfect. Because this afternoon at the beach, I had the alcapurrias and the surullos that I told you guys about. I think I spoke about it. Yeah, I did. Alcapurrias are almost like these wonderful pastries that they sell in Puerto Rico and surullo. Oh my God, it's so good. And those are kind of filling. So I'm kind of glad I came to this restaurant because the portions are perfect. And for dessert, guys, I ordered tiramisu. Yum. Looking forward to that. And I can't wait to sail with Lewis again in March. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah. My next cruise is going to be solo again. I'll be sailing aboard Celebrity Summit out of Miami. And bringing you my experience aboard that ship. But you'll not be disappointed on this ship on Carnival. Everybody has different experiences. As I was watching on YouTube that many people had mixed reviews. The service is great. The cruise has been fantastic. So far the food's been okay. It's been pretty good to me. I mean, again, I'm not a foodie, but the food was pretty good. I enjoyed this restaurant. The ship is beautiful. It has so much to offer. So, yeah, guys. So far, so good. I got my tiramisu, guys. It looks pretty good. So, let's dig in. I gotta show it to you first. That's how it looks like. So, let's dig in. It looks pretty good, though. I like it. Let's see. Wow. It's very good. Very soft and fluffy. Alright, Carnival. Delicious, guys. Dinner is done, guys. I'm ready to walk around the ship for a little bit. Thank you, Carnival, for the service.